G'day everyone, Uncle Jojo.
And Pete.
We're here to introduce our newest course down at the Wulf Institute. It's called Intro to Carpentry.
Joe, I need to hang a shelf. Do I need to get one of those very handsome, highly skilled but overrated carpenters around to do it for me?
Handsome, yes, but carpenters, no. You can come down and do our 8-week program and understand the basics of carpentry, hand tools and timber technology.
Come and learn some neat tips, some great tricks, and do it yourself, guys.
Yeah, do it yourself. Now, please don't think this is just for the men. This is for you ladies also out there. We're doing more and more training packages just for ladies, and please feel free to come on down and try it out.
Jump on the website, www.wulfinstitute.com. Book in, have a look, check it out, check us out, and come on down.
Check us out. And become a member, you get one of these awesome free tops. So, do it now.
Rock and roll.
Stay awesome.